Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Okafor Marycynthia, also known as a social media business consultant. Having been in the internet marketing business for over 4 years now, and also in the cryptocurrency market for over 3 years now, I thought to open a YouTube channel where I will be sharing with the general public everything I know about the internet marketing space, especially how you can market your products and services online, and also everything you need to know about the cryptocurrency market. And also, like I said in my YouTube banner, I'm going to be discussing business, investment, and cryptocurrency on this channel. I'm going to be educating you about cryptocurrencies, the opportunities around cryptocurrencies, how you can make money from cryptocurrencies, how you can make money investing in the stock market, and also how you can make money either selling or investing in real estate. And also, I'll be bringing to you diverse businesses, both the ones I have done before and the ones I have not done before, but I have fully verified that they are all profitable, that you can venture into. This is all I'll be bringing to you on this channel, so I'm sure you don't want to miss any video, any educative content that I share on this channel. Yes, I'm sure that you don't want to miss that. So if that is right, all you just have to do for me now is to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video on this channel. Have you subscribed? Oh, what are you still waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and subscribe for your girl. I'm sure you still want to be seeing this fine face on this channel. Yes, I'm very certain about that. So go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel because I have got a whole lot of content for you. Hope you have subscribed. Oh, I want to cry. Oh yeah, go and subscribe. Thank you very much. I love you all. Peace out.